Hi, I'm Hannah, and today I'll be showing you 3 different ways that you can make your content more interactive in SparkLearn. Opening up an article to pages and pages of text can be intimidating for users, and not to mention boring. So it's important to switch up your content every now and then to keep their interest and also organize your content better. Let's get started with accordions. Accordions allow learners to expand and collapse sections of their content so that they can focus on their training without having to scroll through long pages of text. You can add an accordion to the body of any article you're creating by using the drop-down menu. Then add the header for the first section and the contents beneath it. Once you're finished, select Done. If you want to add more sections, you can click Add Another Item and repeat this process until you're finished. The next way to make your content more interactive is by adding a slideshow. Breaking content into slides is useful for presenting to a group or keeping learners engaged as they swipe through. Like accordions, slideshows can be added to the body of an article. You'll start by giving the slideshow a title, adding text, and choosing how you want the image positioned on the slide. Select Done to save that first slide. Then select Add Slides to create the next one in the deck and repeat until you're finished. Last but not least is hotspots. Hotspots let learners click around on an image to reveal information, including text, images, and even videos. To add a hotspot, you first need to add an image to the body of your article. Then choose Add Hotspots and use your mouse to choose a point on the image. Add the content you want to appear when that point is selected and press Done. Repeat this process to add multiple hotspots to a single image. Those were just 3 fun ways to add interactive elements to your learning content in SparkLearn's authoring system. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe for more. Bye!